What's going on YouTube? This is Channel Black and the Known as Family Guy 231. As you can see right now, it is snowing. I don't know how many inches we've got yet. Probably about one or two. And it's coming down. It started about 12:40, and then it really started sticking around 1 o'clock. As you can see, it's going to be snowing until all day tomorrow. So it's going to be snowing all night tonight, and then all day tomorrow. And then I believe some early in the morning Sunday. Probably, I don't know, I'm probably going to miss school. On Monday, I missed school today. They called it off early. But, this is crazy. Right now, I don't know how much we're gonna get. I mean, they're calling for 18 to 24 inches of snow. That's a couple feet. This is gonna be crazy. So I will keep you guys posted. Today is the 22nd, I believe. So I'll put that on here. But it is coming down like crazy. I mean, I've just been on Xbox messing around because there's nothing else to do. But it's coming. It's coming pretty bad. As you can see to the left, like the left side of the roof, it's coming down pretty hard. Whenever it stops, I'm not saying I'm going to, I may go outside and see how much there is, but it's coming down. Alright guys, I will give you guys an update later today whenever it's kind of piled up. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and bye.